Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the nightlight or eye comfort mode. Let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to find the display. Now let's tap on the nightlight, which is on the second position, and before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So just tap on this toggle, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. We can change the intensity by going to the left cooler and by going to the right warmer. So set it just like you want to, just like you prefer. We can schedule that feature, so the none is manual option. We can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time. Set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and right now I'd like to show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and here we have to localize the particular icon which is connected with the nightlight, and as you can see, it is right here. If for some reason you cannot find it, just tap on this edit icon. You will find it right here. Tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to this first section. But as you can see, in my case, it is right here. Right here, it is kind of highlighted. So all we have to do is to tap on it to turn it on, and since it is highlighted in this bluish color, it will be applied, and of course we can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.